Good morning students, welcome to mathematics class. I will explain trigonometric standard angles. Standard angles sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60, sin 90. Same as this, cos, tan also same as this. Okay, now I will explain first sin, cos, tan. Okay, first 0 degree, next 30 degree, next 45 degree, next 60 degree, next 90 degree, next 90 degree. Okay, sin 0 degree value, sin 30 degree value, sin 45 degree, sin 60 degree, sin 90 degree. Same as this, cos 0 degree, cos 30 degree, cos 45 degree, cos 60 degree, cos 90 degree. Same, tan 0 degree, tan 30 degree, tan 45 degree, tan 60 degree, tan 90 degree. Okay, total here how many fingers are there? Total 5 fingers. Total 5 fingers are there. This is called little finger. This is ring finger. This is middle finger. This is indicator. This is thumb finger. This is thumb finger. Total depend on 5 fingers. Total depend on 5 fingers. Okay. First here sin 0 degree. Sin 0 degree. This is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Little finger is 0 degree. Ring finger is 30 degree. Middle finger is 45 degree. Indicator finger is 60 degree. Thumb finger is 90 degree. 90 degree. Thumb finger 90 degree. Okay. First sin total sin 0. Sin 0 under root of below fingers by 4. Below fingers by 4. Total sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60, sin 90. Total under root of below fingers by 4. Under root of below fingers by 4. Okay, here sin 0 degree. Sin 0 degree under root of sin 0 degree. Here this is 0 degree, no, little finger 0 degree. This is sin 0. Sin 30 degree. Ring finger is sin 30 degree. Middle finger is sin 45 degree. Indicator finger is sin 60 degree. Thumb finger is sin 90 degree. Okay, below finger. Little finger below fingers is there? Not there. Okay, 0 fingers. Little finger below fingers not there. That's why 0 by 4. 0 by 4. Little finger below fingers. Little finger below fingers not there. That's why 0. 0 by anything is 0. Under root of 0 is 0. Sin 0, 0. Sin 0 degree, 0. Sin 0 degree, 0. Next, sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree. Under root. This is sin 30 degree, no? Sin 30. Sin 30 formula below fingers. Sin 30 degree below finger only little finger is there. Only one finger. That's why 1 by 4. Under root of 1 by 4. Under root of 1 by 4. This is root 1 by 1. Root 4 value 2. root 4, perfect square no, root 4 value 2, sin 30 degree value 1 by 2, sin 30 degree value 1 by 2, 1 by 2, this is sin 30, sin 30. Next sin 45 degree, sin 45 degree, sin 45 degree, okay, middle finger sin 45 degree, sin 45 degree, here below fingers, below fingers, how many fingers are there? Below fingers, 2 fingers, middle finger below 2 fingers are there, that's why 2 by 4, 2 by 4, 4 continue, 4 continue, here formula below fingers by 4, middle fingers, below fingers, 2 fingers are there, 2, that's why 2 by 4, 4 as cancel, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, that equal to 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, root 1 value 1 only, root 2 as this denominator. Sin 45 degree value 1 by root 2, sin 45 degree value 1 by root 2. Next sin 60 degree, sin 60 degree, sin 60 degree, under root of sin 60. Okay, indicator sin 60, sin 60, here below fingers, how many below fingers are there? 1 2 3, 3 fingers are there, 3 by 4, 3 by 4, root 3 by 4. Okay, this is written as root 3 as is root 4, root 3 as is root 4 value 2, root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2. This is sin 60 degree value root 3 by 2. Okay, this is root a by b formula. Root a by b equal to root a by root b. Apply this formula. Root a means 3, b means 4. Root a, root 3, root 4 value 2, root 3 by 2. Sin 60 value root 3 by 2. Last one sin 90 degree. Sin 90, thumb finger, below fingers, how many below fingers are there? Thumb finger, below fingers, 4 fingers are there. Sin 90, sin 90 degree equal to under root of 4 by 4, 4 cancel, that equal to 1, root 1 value 1 only. Sin 90 degree value 1. Okay, sin 0 degree 0, sin 30 degree 1 by 2, sin 45 degree 1 by root 2, sin 60 degree root 3 by 2, sin 90 1. But total applicable under root of below fingers by 4, below fingers. This is 0 degree, little finger 0 degree, ring finger 30 degree, middle finger 45 degree, indicator finger 60 degree, thumb finger 90 degree, below fingers by 4. Same as this cos also same. This is cos, second one cos above fingers, cos above fingers, cos above fingers, cos above fingers, cos above fingers by 4, above fingers by 4, above fingers, same as this. This is 0 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Okay, cos 0 degree, cos 30 degree, cos 45 degree, cos 60 degree, cos 90 degree. But above fingers. Okay, first cos 0 degree, cos 0 degree equal to under root of above fingers. First this is 0 no? Above finger, little finger, above finger. How many fingers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers are there. That's why 4 by 4. 4 by 4. 4 cancel. That equal to 1. Cos 0 degree value 1. Cos 0 degree value 1. Next cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree under root of cos 30. ring finger cos 30. Cos 30. Okay, above fingers 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Root 3 by 2. Root 4. Root 4 value 2. Root 3 as is. Root 3 by 2. Cos 30 degree value. Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Cos 30 degree value. Root 3 by 2. Next, cos 45 degree. Cos 45 degree. Cos 45. Middle finger cos 45. Middle finger cos 45. Middle finger above. How many fingers are there? Middle finger above. How many fingers are there? 1, 2. 2 fingers are there. That's why under root of 2 by 4. Under root of 2 by 4. Cancel 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. That is equal to 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 45, 1 by root 2. Next, cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree. Okay, indicator finger is cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree above fingers. Above finger. Indicator finger above finger. Only one finger is there. Thumb finger. That's why under root of 1 by 4. 1 by 4. 4 continue. 1 by 4. That is equal to 1 by 2. Root 1 value 1 only. Root 4 value 2. Cos 60 degree value 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Cos 60 degree value 1 by 2. Next, cos 90 degree. Cos 90. Thumb finger, above fingers. Above fingers, no fingers. No fingers means 0 fingers. Cos 90 degree. Cos 90 degree equal to 0 by 4. 0 by 4. 0 by anything is 0. 0. Cos 90 is 0. Cos 90, 0. Next, last one, tan. Tan, below fingers by above fingers. Below fingers by above fingers. Okay, below fingers by above fingers. First, tan equal to under root of below fingers by above fingers. Above fingers. Tan. Okay, tan below fingers by above fingers. This is tan 0. Little finger tan 0 degree. Ring finger tan 30 degree. Middle finger tan 45 degree. Indicator finger tan 60 degree. Thumb finger tan 90 degree. Okay. Tan 0 degree. First one, tan 0 degree equal to under root of tan 0. Tan 0. Tan 0. Below fingers, tan 0. This is little finger tan 0. No? Below fingers, how many fingers? No fingers. That's why 0. 0. By above fingers. Above fingers. Little finger above fingers. How many fingers are there? Total 4 fingers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 0 by 4 is 0. Tan 0, 0. Tan 0, 0. Tan 0 degree, 0. Tan 0, 0. Next, tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree. Little finger is, ring finger is tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree. Below fingers by above fingers. Below finger, one finger is there. Below finger, one by. Next, ring finger above, how many fingers are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 fingers. That's why 3. That is equal to 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Tan 30 degree equal to 1 by root 3. Root 1 value 1. Root 3 as is. Root 3 as is. Tan 30 degree value 1 by root 3. Tan 30 degree 1 by root 3. Below fingers by above fingers. Below finger 1 is there. 1. Okay. Ring finger below finger 1. Ring finger above fingers 3. Root of 1 by 3 equal to 1 by root 3. Tan 30 degree. Next, tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree equal to tan 45 middle finger. Tan 45 middle finger. Middle finger below how many fingers are there? 2 fingers. Middle finger above. How many fingers are there? 2 fingers. 2 fingers. Same as this. 2 by 2. 2 get cancelled. That is equal to 1. Tan 45 degree 1. Below fingers 2. Middle finger below fingers 2. Above fingers. Middle finger above fingers 2. 2 cancel. 1 only. Okay. Tan 45 1. Tan 45 1. Next tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree. Indicator finger. Indicator tan 60. Above finger. Above finger. This is indicator finger. Above finger. Only one finger are there. Under root of 1 by below fingers. Sorry, below fingers. Indicator finger below fingers. 1, 2, 3. 3 is there. 3 by above fingers. Above finger only 1. Indicator finger below fingers. 1, 2, 3. 3 by above fingers. Above finger 1. Root 3 by 1 equal to root 3. Root 3 by 1 equal to root 3. Tan 60 degree value root 3. Tan 60 degree root 3. Next tan 90 degree. Tan 90 degree. Tan 90 degree equal to tan 90 degree below fingers. Below fingers. This is thumb finger. Tan 90 degree. Tan 90 degree. Okay. Thumb finger below fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Under the top 4 by above finger. Thumb finger above finger. No fingers. That's why 0. That's why 0. 4 by 0. Anything by 0. Infinity. Anything by 0. Infinity. Infinity. Tan 90 degree. Infinity. Tan 90 degree. Infinity. Okay. Total depend on fingers. Okay. Sine below fingers by 4. Under root of below fingers by 4. Cos under root of above fingers by 4. Tan under root of below fingers by above fingers. First little finger is 0 degree, ring finger is 30 degree, middle finger is 45 degree, indicator finger is 60 degree, thumb finger is 90 degree. Okay, 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Total. Sine, cos, tan. Sine 0 degree, 0. Sine 30 degree, 1 by 2. Sine 45 degree, 1 by 2. Sine 60 degree, root 3 by 2. Sine 90, 1. Next, cos 0 degree, 1. Cos 30 degree, root 3 by 2. Cos 45, 1 by root 2. Cos 60, 1 by 2. Cos 90, 0. Cos 90, 0. Next, tan 0, 0. Tan 30, 1 by root 2. Tan 45, 1. Tan 60, root 3. Tan 90, infinity. Infinity. Not defined.